Hey, what up, guys? Sergeant's Tech Tips. I'm going to be showing you how to install QuickTime for Windows. Not everyone actually uses QuickTime anymore, but if you are a user for QuickTime, then stay tuned. Okay, guys, so the first thing you're going to do is go to the link in the description below. It's going to take you to Apple's website. It's also going to take you to the installation page. You're going to click download here, and then it's going to download. Okay, guys, so once the page is here, you can go ahead and click the installer. I'm going to go ahead and minimize the page, and then it's going to bring you to this page. You can go ahead and click next. Sorry, dialog box, click yes. You can do a custom install, which I'm actually going to do because I need to do it to a different hard drive. So I'm going to go here, here, and if you do have a different hard drive, you can do this if you want. However, you don't have to because, or you can just click next, next, next for everything, and it'll install it on your C drive. I probably have enough space, but I like to install some things. The UAC will pop up after you click next and click yes for the UAC, and then this will pop up, and then it's going to do all that. If the UAC pops up in the middle of the installation, it will do that, just giving you a heads up. Just click yes. Actually, you know what? It's almost done installing. I don't need to stop the video. So once it's done, you can go ahead and click finish, and now you have QuickTime Player. Nah, I'm not going to add it here. I don't have icons on my desktop because I don't mind it. But yeah, so that's how you install QuickTime for Windows 10. This will work from Windows Vista on up, I'm sure. Like the video if you liked it. Dislike if you thought it sucked. Please subscribe to my channel if you guys are new. Let me know if there's any future videos you'd like me to do. Installation guides, software, tips and tricks. If you guys want me to show you how to install, Windows 7, Windows 10, Windows 8, I can do all those. Let me know in the comments below. I'll see you guys next video, and peace out.